from Daytona Beach, Florida. A beautiful morning. The calm before the storm. There's a hurricane that's gonna hit in a couple days. This is just so nice to wake up to. The waves crashing on the shore, water's not really rough. Alright, so when you walk in, we have a little kitchenette with a microwave, a stove, some drawers, and it actually comes with like silverware. How cool is that? And in here, I think there's a toaster in this one with some pots. There's also more pots in these two cabinets. We have a coffee maker with sugar and coffee blend. In these cabinets, we have more plates, cups, coffee mugs. It's really nice. They have soap here, but we brought our own soap. This is the one that we brought. We have our Disney mugs from our dining plan. And then in here, I believe it's, oh, like a drying rack. Okay. This is our fridge and our freezer. We have nothing in there except drinks, like bottle of water and stuff like that. We have our bathroom that we have totally put all our stuff on the sink. We have two queen-size beds. Say hey, June.
Hey.
Over here is the dresser and the TV. We have the table here that has a whole bunch of crap on it. Two comfy chairs over there. A nice little lamp. And then we have the balcony. We have a nice little mirror here. There's also one in the bathroom, obviously, but this is nice too, especially if my mom's getting ready and I need a mirror to get ready myself. We have these lights here. This is like the main light switch. So flip this on and then you're allowed to turn these lights on with the little switches on the sides. There's a phone, an alarm clock that I unplugged to charge my laptop last night. We have a drawer with the Bible in it. There's a big closet over there that has my suitcase, so I'm not gonna open it. And it also has a safe, but the safe is like super small. And that's about it. It's a really nice room. I think it's super cozy. I like that it has the kitchenette in case you wanted to go out and buy some groceries, like quick stuff, you know, like frozen breakfasts that you can put in the toaster or the microwave. Maybe like frozen lunches, like lunch meals or dinners, stuff like that. So it's really nice to have, saves you some money on food rather than going out all the time. And that concludes our room tour. I love when you walk into this room and the first thing you see is the ocean. So I'm just sitting out here. We're gonna get ready to go downstairs, go to the pool and hang out for a little bit. I had breakfast this morning. I had scrambled eggs with some toast. I'm just hanging in the hotel room for a little bit. I have a video on YouTube that's going up. It's gonna be up probably in like 20 more minutes. It's our day at Magic Kingdom Part 1 because we were in Magic Kingdom for a long time. So I had to break the video up. I apologize if these vlogs are not as interesting as Disney World because there was a lot more to do over there than there is here. Like, we're just relaxing while we're here, got our feet kicked up and just enjoying our time that we have left in Florida. The hurricane is supposed to hit, I believe, Sunday into Monday or Monday, I'm not really sure. We're supposed to leave here Saturday. Again, we are flying standby, which means we get the remaining seats left on the flights back home. And the flights are filling up because a lot of people are trying to get out of here, trying to end their vacations early before the hurricane hits. So hopefully we get out of here with no issues. I could always recommend to my dad to take the rental car and extend it and just drive up to New York if anything, but hopefully that won't be necessary. Hopefully we can get out of here with no problems, get back home safely, and then, you know, hopefully Dorian doesn't do too much damage to the areas that it's, you know, supposed to hit. We're going to the pool. It's so late. What time is it? It's like 11 o'clock. We should have been at the pool already. I didn't grab my towel. I have to go back upstairs. I forgot my towel. So I have to go back to the room. Luckily it's right here. Again, passing the beautiful little lobby. They do have towels here, but they're really, really small. But I just grabbed them so my whole chair is covered. I love the colors of those umbrellas. There's my dad. My mom is probably in the pool with my brother. She's over there. So we've been hanging by the pool all day, and now it's time for lunch. Oh my gosh. Look at that pizza. I don't know if he got plates.
He didn't.
Oh my goodness. It's happy hour.
Yes.
Free happy hour.
Yes. Mommy's gonna get her.
Oh my god. Like my bathing suit cover. It's my dad's shirt. What are you getting? Sun, sea, and sangria. It couldn't be, you couldn't have picked a perfect shirt, a more perfect shirt for
That's right.
free happy hour.
Yep. What it says on it?
Oh my god, you bought a shirt, you don't know what it says?
Sun,
sea, and sangria. Look at this. One drink here. They really left us. Whatever. Where are we going?
Outback.
What are you gonna get?
New York strip.
I'm gonna get a burger. How do you like your steak?
Medium.
I like my burger. Medium. Here we are. Our parents really left us as if they can go to the restaurant without us. Whatevs.
This shirt is.
Let me see your outfit. Let me see your fit. Okay. It's definitely windy, but it's much cooler over here. I feel like I've said that before, but it really is. And the clouds look like they're coming in. I hope it doesn't rain tonight. But yeah, we're off to Outback for dinner. My dad threw his back out, so we're probably just gonna take it to go and bring it back to the hotel. We've made it, and change of plans. We're not going to take it back to the hotel. We're gonna have a nice sit-down meal here.
Oh man, it looks fresh. Freshy fresh.
It's a nice Outback.
Looks nice, right?
These chairs have cushions, like they're really fancy looking seats. Not the one in Middletown, but hey, that's Middletown for you. So since we're at Outback, I get my Outback burger literally every time I come here. And I got extra toppings, so extra lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions. What you get?
I got the shrimp pasta.
So she got shrimp pasta with some salad. Papi,
Just a salad.
what did you get?
Bone-in ribeye.
Okay, with a side of heavy broccoli. He also got a salad. And Gary has a steak and fries. That's what he told us he was gonna get before we left the hotel. Steak! So how was everyone's dinner?
Good.
It was good.
It was good.
Your steak was good?
Make that.
Okay, so we just finished dinner at Outback. I see the car. We're now headed back to the hotel to just relax for the night. I'm gonna work on editing another video. It is 7:56, Big Brother's on at 9 o'clock. For those of you who watch Big Brother, I hope Christy goes home tonight. but she probably won't. So we're just taking a stroll around. They got little gift shops. The Disney princesses all tatted. We're definitely not in Disney anymore. Here's a nice view of the Slingshot from afar. Someone's going on the Slingshot. Ooh! I'm nervous for them. Oh no. Nah, you can't see it. Oh my. Oh my God. They call this ride the Vomatron. I wonder why. Yeah. Alright, so now we're out of here after watching people scream their lungs out on the Slingshot and that Vominator swing. Now we are headed to the hotel to watch Big Brother in the hopes that Christy gets evicted tonight. We'll update you. Actually, no, I won't, because I don't want to spoil it for anybody who watches the show and may miss tonight's live eviction. Oh my God. We're heading downstairs to look at the water that the hurricane is just destroying. The hurricane is predicted to hit Monday. I honestly don't really know when it's gonna hit. I feel like nobody knows because the news says, oh, Sunday into Monday. And then I saw a picture of a map that said it's gonna hit Central Florida as of Wednesday. So no one really knows, but you can definitely feel the changes of the weather here, or change in weather here from the storm that's coming. We're in Daytona Beach and our hotel is right on the beach. It's been really cloudy all day. It has rained a bit. Hold on, I'm fogging up. As I was saying before, we're here in Daytona Beach. We came down to the beach because we wanted to take pictures and videos of the water. The Hurricane Dorian, is only a few days away from making landfall here in Florida. They say, I don't really know when it's gonna hit, because some news channels say that it's supposed to hit Sunday into Monday. It's Friday right now. And then I saw a map the other day that said it's supposed to hit Central Florida Wednesday. So I mean, it could hit Southern Florida as early as Sunday and then slowly make its way to Central Florida by Tuesday or Wednesday, which is like a really slow moving hurricane. But look, the water came up all the way up here already. So we're just on the beach, taking pictures. We're just looking at how the weather has been changing, and it's crazy. You know, yesterday it was sunny all day. We sat by the pool, we were at the beach, the sun was out all day. They called for rain yesterday and it did not come whatsoever here in Daytona. And then today, as it's one day closer to the hurricane hitting, the weather has been so much different. It was super cloudy all day. It poured several times today in different parts of Florida, because we did leave the coast and went over to where my aunt lives. Different areas of Florida are feeling the strength of this storm that Dorian is bringing. We're gonna make an attempt to catch a flight out tomorrow, and if we can't, we're not gonna even bother sitting in the airport all day. If we can't make the first flight out, my dad, who is over there, has reserved a car for us to just drive up. And it's so funny because the last time we came to Florida, like came to Orlando to go to Disney, we drove. And even while we were here this trip, we were making jokes like, oh my God, remember how we drove the last time? Like, we'll never do that drive again. And now here we are, most likely going to have to drive from Florida to New York. I'd rather do that drive, as terrible as it is, and guarantee that we get out of Florida before the storm hits, rather than stay here and try to catch a flight that we probably would not make and then get stuck. A lot of places are closing. Our hotel is closing tomorrow, which means that anybody who is staying, no, I'm sorry, not tomorrow, they're closing Sunday. So anybody who is staying in the hotel and are checking out after Sunday have to leave when it closes. Don't know if you can hear me over the winds, but oh my God, ooh, my feet are wet. On our way going back upstairs. Just gonna,
Preparing for our trip for tomorrow.
yeah, preparing for the journey back home tomorrow. Wait for me! Oh my God, my parents left me. Oh, aha! There you are. She missed happy hour. Oh! Someone misses Disney.
I missed the swipe.
Try it now.
Wait, yeah. Wait, try, use your wrist now to open the door.
Yeah, right?
Here's my wrist going in my pocket to get the key.
Disney technology really needs to be used everywhere else.